Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Remarkably beautiful in its brushed matte finish. It's endured test after test in the lab, exceeding others' performance. It'll take heat from 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Operate for twice as long as other air fryers. Why the big fuss over an air fryer? Maybe because it makes much more with more ease than you imagined. Okay, let's start with the classics. Want fries with that? Of course you do. Fry them to a beautiful crisp. Fry them up guilt-free. Fantastic. Add some veggies to make mom proud, even if you embellish a little. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. And an indisputable part of mini diets, the cheese bowl. You get a recipe book in the box, so that's already 100 ideas to start with. All right, lemon butter salmon, piece of cake. Time to get your mess on. You'll no longer have to deal with this. This might be all you need per recipe. So you guessed it, substantially fewer calories and less fat. In other words, zero guilt. Preheat, keep warm, auto shutoff, Fahrenheit to Celsius. It even reminds you when to shake things up. How thoughtful. All these extra functions were designed for your ease. So, you're welcome, Mom, and kids, and those who are on cleanup duty. That's the amazing Cosori air fryer. Available in 3.7 and 5.8 quart sizes in classic black, red, or white. Live life tastefully with Cosori.
Whether you picked up a Cosori air fryer to make perfect steak or healthier fries, here's a brief visual guide. Make sure you've checked all the labels and read the manual before completely diving in. For example, before you even plug in, be careful to remove all plastic wrapping. That includes the plastic you may not have noticed right away. If you're familiar with how air fryers work, you might know that often all you need is 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Your Cosori air fryer uses rapid 360-degree air circulation technology. It requires little to no oil to make food similar to deep-fried foods, but air-fried foods will often contain 75% fewer calories. When it comes to operating your air fryer, the interface is intuitive. Let's start with the preheat function, which is a feature unique to the Cosori air fryer. When you can spare the extra 1 to 5 minutes, we strongly recommend preheating. It often makes a huge difference in the results. Once you've set your temperature, press start. Once preheating is done, you'll hear 3 beeps. Now just choose a preset. Each of the 11 presets are designed so that you can simply prep your ingredients as desired. Place them in, then tap the corresponding preset. One-touch operation means that once you select the preset and start, your part in the kitchen is done. Press temp time once to adjust temperature with the plus or minus signs. Press temp time a second time to adjust time similarly. You can always add extra customization. Make sure to press start. The shake reminder is another feature unique to Cosori. Halfway through the cooking time for certain preset programs, your machine beeps 5 times. As you might guess, it prompts you to take the baskets out carefully, shake or flip the food, and return it to the air fryer. Shaking helps you get a more even fry. You'll know the air fryer is done cooking when you hear it beep 3 times. Press keep warm if you're not quite ready to eat. You can adjust the time between 1 to 60 minutes. To serve, carefully separate the baskets on a flat surface. Remember that pushing the button causes the outer basket to drop. Check out your manual and other inbox materials for original Cosori recipes. Info on other features like manual air frying, and even instructions on how to get great French fries. Go on and get started. If you need any more info, remember we have a friendly Cosori support team available to help.